Hi, this is Kathy with Hartsel Mount Zion's website demo for making your reservation to attend the church worship service. The church is reopening on April the 4th of this year for Easter Sunday. There will be two services, one at 10 a.m. and one at 11:45 a.m. So here we go. Check out the church website, which is heartsofmountZionUMC.org. Make sure you have that typed in correctly if you're trying to make your reservation. And then click on reservations. And let's do that. And click it again. And notice I'm working from a laptop computer. You may be working from your phone. It will be a little different if you're working from your phone. All right, now notice the Hartsel, this is welcoming you to the Hartsel Mount Zion United Methodist Church reservation system. So, what you want to do is scroll up and you will see the two worship services. Notice that there are 48 seats left for the 10 a.m. and there are 60 seats left for the 11:45 a.m. service. And for this demonstration, I am going to use the 11:45 a.m. service just to demonstrate how to do this. So I'm selecting it. I clicked on it. Now you will need an email address. I'm going to use the church email address for this demonstration, but you will need either yours or someone that is close to you, one of your kids, to make the reservation for you, or just call the church office and we'll log you in. All right, to continue to reservation. And I'm sorry I put this in earlier to test out the system, but let's just make it Hartsel, and we're going to call this Mount Zion for the last name. And the email address is in there, and the phone number is put in the church's phone number just for demonstration purposes. Okay. And if you have additional guests that would like to attend, you can click on that here and just add their names into and state whether it's a child or not. You can also delete it if not. So we're just going to delete that because I'm not adding guests. It asks, the next question is, are you a member of our church? If you are, say yes. If no, click no. That lets us know that we need to follow up with you for our visitors. And there is also a general release statement. Click on that. And this is basically our COVID guidance. It states Hartsel Mount Zion UMC is following CDC guidelines for COVID-19. Please wear a face mask, stop by the hand sanitizing station, and observe social distancing guidance that will be provided to you once you enter the church. Close this statement. You want to scroll back up. Yes, I am a member of the church, and then click I have read and understand the general release. Once you have done that, click reserve seats. Your seat is now reserved, and you will get this message, and you will also get a confirmation email message. So check your email once you've made your reservation. It will tell you the location, the event is the Sunday worship service, and the time. That be mindful of that you select the correct time or the time that you would like to have. So make sure you do that. It's also telling you the venue. We only have two venues. One is the worship center right now, and the Family Life Center set up for this application. There you go. If you have any questions, feel free to call the church office at 985 643 3555. Thank you and have a blessed day.